Quest Nutrition Network, and we are back again for another special episode. On this episode, we're going to focus on weight loss foods. Now, obesity is such a huge problem in this country, and we want to find and share some different strategies for individuals who are looking to lose weight. And we've got Serena back again. Serena, welcome.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
So it's great to have you, and you've got a couple of things over here that you want to talk to us about in regards to weight loss food. We've got a couple of things here.
Absolutely. So here we just have some citrus items, which is grapefruit and lemon. And those two are very high,
very great combination.
Loss.
Yes.
Yes, because it says it burns the fat, it gets the metabolism going, it protects, against a lot of things. So
and actually with lemons, there's actually a lemon combination that has been very, very popular. It's called a master cleanse, where you use lemon, some water, maple syrup, and cayenne pepper.
Yes.
And this is something that is very, very well known.
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of people do it. So there's a lot of research that supports the health benefits as well as the weight loss benefits of lemons as well as grapefruit.
Absolutely. So we're going to add 2 of these items into 2 plant-based vegetables. And so with the lemon today, we're actually doing a sauteed broccoli with lemon, garlic, and ginger and honey. So that sweetness and that lemon together is really going to balance out together nice with the broccoli.
Okay.
And then we're also going to do our stir-fried red cabbage, and we're going to actually use some grapefruit juice in there as well, some fresh squeezed grapefruit juice, just to get that citrus going around in the red cabbage, along with a little bit of honey and ginger and garlic, and it's going to be absolutely fantastic. So these 2 citrus products that are going to be used in our plant-based vegetable dishes are going to be absolutely phenomenal. So we look forward to sharing our ideas, our recipes with you, and just giving you an intake on how citrus can be a really well-aiding weight loss product.
All right, we're going to get right into it.
Absolutely.
Keep it locked. So walk us through the steps here, Serena, of what it is that we have to do to cook this meal that is going to be great for our weight loss audience.
Okay, so again, I'm starting off with my basic components of garlic and ginger. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic in the back eye back here. And I'm also going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic into my front one here.
All right, and that was more so like a teaspoon?
Yeah, it's about a teaspoon of garlic. Now I'm going to add my ginger.
Okay.
My chopped ginger.
All right.
Here you go. Just a little bit of ginger.
Little teaspoon.
Yep. Because again, ginger also aids in weight loss as well too.
Absolutely.
It's an ingredient as well.
Absolutely.
It really gets the metabolism going. Yep, absolutely.
Anti-inflammatory, great for digestion.
Absolutely.
And part of weight loss is properly digesting the food. The food properly going through all the channels in the intestine, through your colon, so that it can get to where it needs to go.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm gonna do a little bit of chili pepper flakes in my in both of them.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
And the peppers, of course, it is great for metabolism.
Absolutely.
And metabolism is so important to get things moving. Too many people have a very slow metabolism because they're either not eating properly or they're not moving enough.
Nope. And my garlic and ginger is already brown, so I'm just going to take a handful.
And cabbage is also another anti-inflammatory food.
Absolutely. And it's so good too. I love
very
cabbage.
High in fiber. Also contains carotenoids. Carotenoids are very anti-cancer, so we got a lot going on here.
Now we add our broccoli. I already pre-blanched my broccoli and everything. And now I'm gonna just add the lemon.
Allowing for your system, your body to be alkaline. It's very, very important that our bodies are alkaline.
Absolutely. This is all done. Once you add that grapefruit juice in there and the juices are still going, you can leave this on to simmer just maybe about 2 minutes. But in reality, this is all ready to go. Now, in our back one, which is our broccoli, because
Okay.
that's really going to cut the fat and help with aiding in the weight loss.
And that is the point of what we're trying to accomplish today, is giving you some tools
Absolutely.
and giving you different ingredients and different combinations to utilize that's going to boost up the metabolism,
Absolutely.
provide you with the phytonutrients,
Absolutely.
the magnesium, the potassium, the vitamin C, the vitamin A, all of these phytonutrients, these ingredients are going to provide you with that, and it's going to help with your weight loss. It's also going to help in other ways.
Yes.
But we're just focusing on weight loss today.
Absolutely.
All right, so we're going to gather these up, put
Yep.
them in a plate, and taste them. All right, so here we go. Good mixture. It doesn't taste too sweet. It doesn't taste sour. It kind of just has the right type of
perfect
taste.
balance.
There's a perfect balance.
Absolutely.
And I think that is very, very key. You know, we thought maybe
It was going to be too
some people,
overpowering.
yeah, some people might have thought, oh,
Nope.
oh my God, you've got lemon and grapefruit. No,
Nope.
I'm not going to taste that. Trust me, folks. It's a good mixture.
Absolutely.
You certainly want to try it out. Try it out for yourself.
Yes.
And see for yourself. All right. We all know about the benefits of grapefruits. It's really great.
This is perfect.
So let's try the broccoli.
Yes, let's go for the broccoli.
Okay. You're just gonna take a quick taste. I do taste the citrus.
And the honey gives it a nice balance.
It gives it it's a nice combination.
Absolutely.
Tasting the peppers.
Yes.
This is good.
This is phenomenal.
Folks, you need to try these things.
Absolutely.
We have to do things a little bit outside of the box.
Yes.
Because that's how we grow. That's how we improve.
Absolutely.
You know, that's how we will get to the goals that we want to accomplish when it comes to weight loss. So
Yes.
this is good, Serena.
Oh, thank you so much. This was great. You know, I'm so glad that people can see the health benefits behind these two dishes, from the sauteed red cabbage to
Right.
the broccoli with the chili pepper and the lemon. Just bringing all these citrus products together really is just amazing, and it helps.
And we've got a powerhouse of nutrients here.
Absolutely.
We've got everything from fiber to magnesium to the calcium that's coming from the cabbage.
Yes.
You got some calcium as well as protein in broccoli. Most people don't know that broccoli does in fact contain protein.
Yep.
So you're getting an assortment of different nutrients, phytonutrients that are so important for weight loss, but not just weight loss, other chronic conditions. So let's keep that in mind. And thank you so much for tuning in. Serena, thank you
so
once
much.
again
Yes,
for
thank you.
these wonderful tasting dishes. Stay tuned and stay locked. Continue to watch Quest Nutrition Network. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. Peace.